Okay, so here we are back in the shop for round number 2 of the Electro-Etching Copper. Yesterday I had a video where I got less than ideal results. So today I altered a couple things and we are going to test it with a smaller piece today because that's what I have left. I took my decal of the little moron and extended the width of the stroke and reprinted this, so we've got this on there. We've got everything the same as it was yesterday. I've got the leads taped against the back, kind of spread out a little bit here. I also switched the lead to something a little bit more similar to the width and size of the copper. So yesterday we used this chunk of steel. I think maybe the surface area was, I don't know, I'm going to try this because it's a little closer to what we have here. Thinner, flatter. We'll see what happens. I just cobbled this together because I don't have any sheet metal right now that is big enough for, yeah. So here we are. I'm going to drop this in the water. More volts, less time, a different negative piece, and we're going to go ahead and get this rolling right now. We're going to pop this in. Try to leave the negative up off the bottom so it actually will have more area with both water on both sides. Okay, so now we're going to turn on the power supply. Okay, we're at the settings we were at yesterday. It's 0.24. We're going to go ahead and crank this up to about 6. And instantly, a lot more action down there. Hopefully this time we get better results. I'm about 10 minutes into this, and I just realized as I was sitting upstairs, hey, you dumbass, you're putting this thing in the water and everything is just collecting on top. Why don't you go back downstairs and check it? And put it upside down so anything that etches off falls downward. So now anything that's etching should be going bloop down instead of just collecting on top. I thought, if I have it like this and all the sediment's on top and it's sitting like that like yesterday for 5 hours, of course it's going to bleed under the mask. It has nowhere else to go, and all those corrosive things just eat under the mask like it's a plate. So if it's upside down, any of the corrosive stuff in theory should fall down, right? Let's try it. We'll check back in another 20 minutes. Here, it's a couple minutes over an hour that this has been in here. And last time I rigged up this little wire thing to keep it vertical in the bath, and I think that might help. It's tilted a little bit forward so the face is this way, everything's kind of leaning down. I'm going to just pull this out. We're going to go take this out in the sink upstairs and compare and contrast, see what we get. I'll clean up the rest of this mess later. For now I'm turning this off, yanking my leads, and we're going upstairs. Okay, we're back at the sink and we're going to get this thing off of here now, see what it looks like. So, the moral of the story is that sometimes a little bit more voltage is needed to work around your mask. Today I actually heated up the mask after I applied it, so maybe the glue was a little bit more adhered. I don't know, but there's definitely no blowout on these. It's pretty much what I expected the first time around. But second time's a charm in this case, so that's awesome. So at least I know now. And again, we'll go over the settings. Were 6 volts. I used about a half container of salt. 6 volts. A warm mask applied to the copper. And 1 hour. And I think we have the ratio. Also, the negative piece of metal I had in there that maybe helped. So, the next step is going to be to cut these up and turn them into some pins. I hope you will tune in next time when we take these and cut them up and make little pins. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Definitely go ahead and click the thumbs up if you like this video. And subscribe to the channel if you enjoy videos like this. I appreciate the watch. I'm always up for comments and input, so please leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. But thanks again for watching. Until next time.